Okay, today I have a 2006 Toyota Avalon. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. First, you're going to open up the glove box. Next, you're going to push until that comes out. Go over here, push until that comes out. Next, there are two tabs back here. One right here. I'm going to pull it off. And the other right there. Pull that off. Let me just do it really quick. Okay, so I just got this off. You're left with that. Next, you just pull this out. And wow, that one is pretty darn dirty. From there, you just put the new one in. You put it in right there. Next, you put this cover up. Make sure it's on the up position. From there, this little piece right here, you're going to make sure that it's in that spot. Then you're going to push it up until it shuts. And that's how you do it.